Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's changing the way businesses connect with you: digital advertising. Digital advertising includes search ads, display ads, social media ads, video ads, native ads, and affiliate marketing, each tailored to specific platforms and audiences. Search ads work by targeting relevant keywords and using effective ad copy to attract clicks. Businesses pay only for clicks, making it a cost-effective advertising method. Google's search ads allow businesses to reach potential customers directly when they're searching for related products or services. Social media ads are like a bullhorn for businesses, letting them shout about their products or services to a massive online crowd. The real power lies in who hears that message. These platforms allow you to target users with laser focus, reaching people who are most likely to be interested because of their online habits and preferences. Plus, you can grab attention with visually compelling images and videos, making social media ads a powerful tool to connect with potential customers. A successful display ad campaign for summer fashion resulted in a significant increase in both clicks and online sales. The ads featured eye-catching visuals of models in summer attire, using a mix of static images and animations to grab attention. The campaign targeted young adults aged 18 to 35 who had previously visited the website and lived in urban areas. This focused approach proved effective, driving a 45% increase in clicks and a 30% boost in online sales. Video ads are a great way to capture attention and drive engagement. Keep them short, clear, and high quality, and use platforms like YouTube and Facebook to reach your target audience. Native ads blend seamlessly with surrounding content, enhancing the user experience. They often appear as sponsored articles or social media posts, leading to higher engagement rates since they feel relevant and integrated. This format also fosters an improved brand perception, promoting authenticity and trust among consumers. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based advertising model where businesses pay affiliates to promote their products. Choose affiliates that align with your brand and use tracking software to monitor their performance. This strategy offers low costs, potential passive income, wider audience access, and payment only for sales generated. If you like this video, thumbs up and subscribe. Share your favorite ad formats in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.